Hello, my name is Juan Urena. Today is April 23rd, 2018. Class that I'm videoing for is Math 167, Statistics. No one has helped me to produce this video, and today we're going to talk about hypothesis testing. And what I need to do is I need to find out whether or not 52% of Housatonic Community College students are from Bridgeport. Now I'm going to turn around so I can show you exactly how I went about doing it. Okay, the first thing I did was I had a whole bunch of data, so I had to sort my data out. Okay, and the way that you do it is you go to data. Once you go to data, you're going to go down to sort. Once you go down to sort, you're going to hit city. Now, once you hit city, you're going to come down and you're going to compute. Now, I've already done it ahead of times. So once you've computed that, what you're going to do is now it's in ascending order. So it's going from A to Z. Okay. Now, what I did was just to kind of speed up the explanation a little bit. I've counted how many students from Bridgeport are attending Housatonic Community College, and it shows that there are 3,002 students, but out of those 3,002 students, only 1,466 students are attending Housatonic Community College from Bridgeport. Okay, so once I figure that out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to stats, I hit my stat, come down to proportion stat, one sample, and I'm going to go down with summary. Once I come down with summary, then I'm going to enter the number of students that are from Bridgeport that are attending Housatonic Community College, which is 1466. Again, it's 1,466. And out of the total of those, out of the whole entire student body, there are 3,000, there are 3,002 students in total. So now here is my null hypothesis. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to put in the percentage of how many students I believe that has been given to me, which is 52% of students. So we're going to put in 52%. And what we want to do here is this is actually sort of like what we need to prove whether or not there are 52 students or 52% of students or more attending Housatonic Community College from Bridgeport. Okay, once I enter those numbers, I hit compute, and once again I've done it ahead of times, and this is my number here that I come with. Okay, as you can see, it's 1,466 students that are from Bridgeport that are attending Housatonic Community College. The total of student body is 3,002 students in total. Okay, and my p-value is 0.0005. So that means that my p-value is very low. It's less than 5%. So that means that the null has to be rejected. The null has to be rejected. And the evidence that I'm showing now, which is the HA, okay, is proven that there are not 52% or more students at Housatonic Community College that are from Bridgeport, but there are actually a lot less. Okay, my Z stat is just basically showing that everything's all to the far left, because you can see it's negative 3.47. Okay, so that there concludes that there are way less students from Bridgeport that are attending Housatonic Community College. I hope this was helpful. And one last thing I just want to mention, that if your p-value is higher than 5%, okay, it means that it fails to reject the null hypothesis, and that the alternate hypothesis has to be rejected. But if the null hypothesis does not prove that there is more, then that means we have to reject the null hypothesis, and we have to believe that the alternative hypothesis is true. Thank you.